Yeah, good morning, fellow my friends. We are going to now talk about practical on array methods. I'm going through about three array methods: maps, a filter, and a duo. So we are going to see how they are behaving in practical more than saying practical. Lastly we talked about uh, theoretical, and you have seen uh, what they are and their examples. Now we are going to go through all the practical session. As you see here, I'm using my ID is VS Code. I've created the folder. So inside that folder, I create the index.js. So you're going through those uh, all those all those methods. So we are going to start with the map. Map, we have seen that it turns it returns a new a new array when you have, like, for example, in JavaScript, we know that we have to see, like, I have a function of giving, or for example, I have marks of the students, uh, marks of the students, uh, so I want to work with, like, those students. Inside those students, we have many different marks. Like, I have 25, I have 78, I have 40, I have 80%, and I have 90%. So these are different marks that I have, but I'm going just to manipulate it. For example, I want to like I want just uh, to add each method. Like, I want to give a student a bonus. Like, I want to give each student two marks, two extra marks. So I will just create a function of which are bonuses, and I will pass my parameter array, and then I will return, like, for example, I will return that array with the map, and then closing bracket, and then I will use, like, n of elements, then arrow function. I think you are familiar with the arrow function. Then I will take each element, then add two marks, and then I will call it console.log. As long as we have used, like, for example, return, it will going to use console.log. Then my function, and then I will pass all my marks, then to see how it is going to look. Then copy the marks, then paste it here. So let me run it. Then, yes, thank you. As I was talking about this map, so as you can see, I have written my codes, and we were together. I hope we were together. So, and everything is clear, and everyone is familiar with this syntax. So, for example, you can use many approach, but this one is very easy, and everyone can understand it. So here you can see I used map uh, to add two marks to each student. Like, for example, I want to give, like, every student two marks of performance. So you will do like this. So let's go through about using using filter. So filter, this, it will help you uh to 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 to, to fetch, or to, like, to bring out some marks inside all the marks. So you will, like, for example, you will set your condition, and then it will certify. For example, I want to see all the students who got 80%, above 80%. Those are students that's perform well. So I will just create a function to check which is performer. Then it will be like, I'm going to pass my array. So let me comment this one, so it will not give us an error. So I will do like this. I will return my array parameter. I think you are all familiar with this syntax. We have element of that inside, then our function. Now this element which are uh, greater than equal 80%, 80 max you specify, and then it will console.log let me pass the function, and then I will pass my max inside. Copy, then we can paste here, then we see all the best performer. The clan, they are two. Those are the best performer, and this is a good application of the filter. Then let's commit by the let's go to the by using reduce. I've I have talked about this more times, and it just can help you just to manage the average. Like for example, you want the sum of all the marks, then you will divide by by the number of the student here you can devise. This just only will give you the sum of all the marks, then we pass this function of sum, and then we pass my array inside those parameters. Then let's for example the total will be like an array dot array my parameter dot what dot use, then we pass also we pass all we pass to we can pass A or B, then it will be A plus B, and zero. This will give us the sum. Then we get like for example like average be like my total divided by array length th, then my average, then let's see the output. Sum, and then pass my array. Okay, exactly. Then you have the average. Then you can compare how your student performed. So this is the end of our video. Next time we talk about another array methods, practical. As long as we went through all the theoretical array methods, we also go through practical. So thank you for your kind attention, and I would like to get some comments, some feedbacks about this session of today. And thank you. Goodbye.